Hey guys, so if you own a Land Rover Defender, I'm sure that on more than one occasion you've had exactly this happen to you. You've been busy with something and this door just won't stay open, especially if you park at the wrong angle. So you kind of get used to parking at a certain angle so that the door can stay open. So I found a solution. I've searched high and low and I've never seen the right solution for this problem. But today I'm going to show you guys how we can solve this problem. So stay tuned. Right, so we've got this thing made that will slide, but now we need to try and line it up. So I've got a ruler clamped here, and I'll put a small drill through what I think is the center here. There. Always be careful drilling through carpet because it can grip the bits and break the bits, so you've got to be so careful. So there, now I've got a mark. Right, so I've got a bit of threaded bar in there. That should line all that up there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure to the side of the vehicle. So there we go guys, we've got it in. It was a little bit of a wrestle, but got it in. I thought I would have to put countersunk bolts in here, but these are working quite nicely. They're pulling in to the wood I've got a washer on. It was a little bit of a wriggle to get them in. There you go. So we pull it out. It stops the door there. So that should hold it in the wind. Probably going to end up damaging the door a little bit, but what I can do is maybe put a rubber stop on the end there. That'll be the Mark II version, fully upgraded. It all can close. Not too bad, hey? I'm happy with that.